हरि ओम् नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषा प्रवेश प्रथमभागस्य 25तमे कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। Okay, the next prayoga, that is fifth prayoga for Chaturthi is for these kriya padams like kruthyati, irshyati, druhyati and asuyati. So in these kriya pada usages, on which object or the person we have the anger, that object or person will be represented in Chaturthi. So kruthyati, irshyati, druhyati, asuyati इत्येतेषां क्रियापदानां प्रयोगे यं प्रति कोपः भवति तस्य चतुर्थीविभक्तिरूपं भवति इति ज्ञेयम्. So kruthyati, getting anger on somebody, irshyati is the envy on somebody, and druhyati is again a kind of a cheating on or misbehave or mischief on somebody, and asuyati is again kind of envy. If we are using the kriya padams like this or any other kriya padam in the same meaning, if we are using it, on whichever object or person we have the anger, we are expressing anger, or that subject is expressing the anger, then that person or object is expressed in Chaturthi Bhakti. So let us see some example and understand that easily. So Kamsaha Krishnaya Kruthyati. So atra Kamsa Krodham Karoti, she does the anger on Krishna. I mean, he has anger and the person on which he has anger is Krishna. So the Krishna gets a Chaturthi form here. So Kamsaha Krishnaya Kruthyati. And another example, Irshyanti, Kauravaha Pandavebhyaha Irshyanti. So they are envy on the Pandavas. Okay. So Kauravaha Pandavebhyaha Irshyanti. And another example for Druhyati, Mahishasuraha Durgaye Druhyati. Okay, and another example for Asuyati, Bhikshukaha Dhanikaya Asuyati. He gets envy on rich people. Okay, one more time I'll read the examples. Kamsaha Krishnaya Krudhyati, Kauravaha Pandavebhyaha Irshyanti, Mahishasuraha Durgayai Druhyati, Bhikshukaha Dhanikaya Asuyati. So only for these four kriya padams, on which object or person we have, that subject is showing the anger, that will get Chaturthi form. So Kruthyati, Irshyati, Druhyati and Asuyati. It's very simple, only for these four kriya padams, and there are few other alternative kriya padams. We are not going to cover that now.
Moodaha Panditaya Asuyati. The fool is envious of learned person.
Samyak.
Most negative feelings will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti?
No, not necessarily. The reason why they have given Chaturthi is because if we don't have this rule, so the words of Krishna or Pandava, Durga, Dhanika, they may end up getting the Saptami forms. Okay, to avoid the Saptami and it has to enforce the Chaturthi, we are having the separate rule here. But it doesn't mean that the negative thoughts will be for Chaturthi.
How Saptami Vibhakti will come?
Yeah, that's because Kamsaha Krishna Krudhyati, that's a wrong form we tend to make it, but to avoid that we are giving this rule.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, Ashok.
Hari Om Mahodaya. I don't know what is Mahishasuraha Durgayai Druhyati. That means he's done any droham like to Durga, is it?
I'm not sure of the story, but this I got it from the some book actually. So maybe we need to see what is the meaning. I mean, what is the story there actually?
Kaikai Ramaya Druhyati. Draupadi
Samyak.
Shasanaya Krudhyati.
विभीषणः रावणाय नृत्यति. Vibhishan has done droha to Ravana. Ravana Ramaya Drishyati.
And even druhyati, the another meaning of druhyati is to hate. That's also another meaning of showing hatredness is also another meaning for druhyati. And similarly, to hurt is also the meaning for druhyati. So druhyati is to do.
Okay. All the four you please translate once again. All the
Yeah, druhyati means, it's also means droha, and that means to hate and to injure or hurt. It's also another meaning for druhyati. So in that way, I think Mahishasuraha Durgaye druhyati, he hates Durga. That way we can actually take a meaning. Hates or harms or injures Durga, maybe during the battle. Yeah.
Namo Namaha. So Krishna Shishupalaya Krudhyati. Krishna was angry at Shishupala. Then another sentence would be Dhritarashtra Pandavebhyah Druhyati. Dhritarashtra Dhritarashtra Pandavebhyah Droham Kritavan. Tadartham.
Samyak.
Bhavati Kasyai api ma druhyatu. Is that correct, sir? That is, do not do not hate anybody. You do not hate anybody.
Okay, translation now.
Bhavati kasyai api ma druhyatu. Is that form correct?
Samyak.
Okay. And sa jetre asuyati. Jeta, winner. I want to say she is envious of the winner. Sa,
yeah, that's correct. Jetre asuyati.
Okay. Dhanyavad.
आरक्षः चोराय क्रुध्यति.
आरक्षकः चोराय क्रुध्यति. That's right.
Right, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hari Om Mahodaya. Now I got your Mahishasuram Durgaya. See, it should be Druhyati hates. He hates Durga.
Yeah, hates. Yes. Yeah.
Now Duryodhanaha Arjunaya Druhyati. Is it right? Duryodhana was
yes.
He hated Arjuna, and Sakunihi Draupadyai Asuyati.
Draupadyai Asuyati.
Draupadyai Asuyati.
Hiranyakashipuhu Prahladaya Krudhyati. Is it correct?
Yeah, Prahladaya. What is the verb?
Krudhyati.
Krudhyati. Uttamam.
Yes, Hiranyakashipuhu.
Yeah, Samyak.
Harivam Vali Sugrivyai Druhyati. Is it correct?
So Sugriwaya Druhyati, or yeah.
Sugriwaya.
Druhyati. What is the word you want to use?
No, Sugriva. Sugrivaha or Sugriva?
No, Sugrivaya. Yeah, Sugrivaha is the word, and Sugrivaya is a Chaturthi form. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Dhanyavadah.
Aparnikah grahakaya druhyati. The shopkeeper cheats the consumer.
Namo Namaha. Karnaha Arjunaya Irshyati.
Samyak.
Kauravaha Abhimanyave Duyanti.
Atra Druhyanti.
Druyanti, no? It would be Druyanti.
Yeah, it's a Druhyanti. Druhyanti is not the right pronunciation. It's a Druhyanti.
Oh, Dhanyavad.
Astu.
Sir, I want to say, Yuvazihi, she envies other girls, like the other person was saying. So the sentence will be Yuvatihi Anyai Yuvatyai Asuyati. Anyai, how what is the form of that, sir?
Okay, Anyabhyaha Yuvatibhyaha Asuyati.
Oh, plural. Okay, Anyebhyaha it will be. Okay.
Anyabhyaha, right? That's a
Female.
Chaturthi form for Anya, a feminine form.
So Yuvatihi Anyabhyaha
Balikabhyaha va Yuvatibhyaha va Asuyati.
Balikabhyaha Asuyati. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching this video online. If you have any queries or if you want to interact with the teachers or students, please log into forum.Sanskrit.Today. You can also join our Telegram group. You can find the link for the Telegram group in the course page. And please subscribe to this channel Sanskrit.Today to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people. And if you have any suggestions, feedback or queries about this session or series, you can paste them on the comment section. And finally click on the like button. Dhanyavadaha. Let's meet in the next session. Dhanyavadaha.